Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. I am going to give you guys a quick fix on this very familiar issue with later model GM vehicles, whether you guys have Chevys, Pontiacs. I think Pontiac was a Chevy company. Saturns, Cadillacs, GMCs, what have you. This is a very common issue, particularly with older GM vehicles, where if you guys put your vehicle in park and you guys try to get your key out, the key will not be all the way in the off position to get out. So your key would be stuck in the ignition cylinder chamber. And if you're like anybody else in this situation, you are able to shift your gears all over from park all the way to reverse or whatever gear that you're trying to, you'll be going up and down with your shifter, just trying to see whether that actually frees up your key, and most of the time that won't do the trick. And the problem with this is the situation is there is a mechanism that essentially, when you have it in park, pretty much releases the key to the off position, and you could turn your key to the off position and remove the key. However, in this situation, there's a mechanism. The mechanism that actually does that has some kind of issue, is broken, or you might need to change out the shifter if that's the case. But it's more of a safety mechanism, where if you guys actually it actually keeps the car, it actually keeps you, the driver, from taking the key out with the vehicle in reverse or neutral, or any of the other gears, drive, any of the other gears, so that it won't be mobile when the key is taken out, because that's a very dangerous situation if the manufacturer actually allows you to take the key out in any of those other positions, because your car would not be stationary. It would be at the very least rolling, and it's a dangerous situation. It's a it's a safety mechanism that keeps your car from doing that. However, if you guys are stuck in this situation, there is a quick fix for this. And what you guys want to do is you guys want to look under the I would say the neck of the steering wheel. I would say so you guys look under the steering wheel, and you guys look up. All right, there is a little compartment that you guys could take off. All right, under that compartment is a switch, a push switch. Now I'm going to provide a picture for you guys of what that looks like, what the compartment is. You can essentially take a screwdriver to pop out that little door, and that compartment will be big enough for you to actually put your finger on that switch. And what you guys want to do in that situation is you guys want to press the button and then turn the key to release it, and it will release the key for you. Now, if this situation sometimes will I wouldn't say fix itself, but it's an intermittent situation where it happens sometimes, it doesn't happen other times, because sometimes whatever it is that the mechanism, whatever the contact is that creates that connection for the mechanism to let the car know that it's in park and you can take your key out, that mechanism sometimes get worn out. It doesn't lock into place. Sometimes it does lock into place. Now, if you guys wanted to, you guys could do this all the time to take the key out, but you know, better situation is you guys actually just changed out the shifter box, and changing out the shifter box in most cases will fix this situation for you. But if you guys are actually stuck in this situation and you don't have any other you don't have any other way to get the key out, definitely try that, and hope that this has helped you guys out with this particular fix. And if you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please leave a comment regardless. If you guys want, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, any of that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.